What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd back yet again with another cPanel tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to set up the default address in cPanel, also known as the catch-all email address. This feature helps you catch any emails that get sent to invalid or non-existent addresses at your domain. Instead of those messages bouncing back or being discarded, they'll be delivered to one inbox of your choosing. This is especially useful if someone mistypes the email or if you just want to make sure that no messages fall through the cracks. Before we dive in, make sure that you have an active RackNerd cPanel shared hosting or reseller hosting plan and your domain is already connected. If not, head over to racknerd.com to grab a hosting plan with full cPanel access included. Alright, let's get right into it. Once you're logged in to cPanel, scroll down to the email section and click on default address. This is where you can manage any unrouted mail for your domain. At the top, you see the domain selector. In this case, let's choose any domain we prefer from the domain dropdown. Now under default address maintenance, you'll see a few different options for how to handle unrouted mail. The first one is to discard the mail while your server processes it by SMTP time and return an error message. The default message says no such person at this address. This method is useful if you want to reject all emails that are sent to addresses that don't exist on your domain. But if you don't want to lose any emails, scroll down and choose forward to email address. This is the most common option. Just enter the destination email address where you want for all of the unrouted emails to go. For example, admin@racknerdtv.com, then click change. Done. All emails sent to non-existent addresses under your domain will now be forwarded to the email addresses you specified. Now let's quickly cover some advanced options. You'll see an option to forward your system account. In my case, it's RackNerd TV. This sends unrouted mail to the default mailbox created from your hosting account. You can also pipe email to a program. If you choose this, you'll enter a path relative to your home directory. For example, if you want to run a script, every time an email is sent to a non-existent address, you can point it to a PHP or Perl script. Just make sure that the script is executable and configured correctly. Lastly, there's an option to simply discard unrouted emails, but it's marked not recommended, and for good reason. Unless you're actively fighting spam or absolutely do not want to receive any misdirected emails, it's better to forward them. And there you go, that's how you configure the default address in cPanel. It's a smart way to make sure that you're not missing important messages, even if the sender gets the address wrong. This feature is available with all of RackNerd's cPanel hosting plans, and it only takes a few seconds to set up. If you're not using RackNerd for hosting, visit racknerd.com for fast, secure, and affordable cPanel hosting solutions. Don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more tutorials just like this one. With that said, talk soon.